Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this a small video. Um, okay, so let's get started. First thing first, just wanted to tell you this that the market right now is in very messy mode, panic mode, I can call, and because of the Brexit thingy. Brexit means they're considering Great Britain to getting out of the eurozone. Just like Greek, we had an issue about the Greece, and we call it Grexit, right? That we were talking about Greece getting out of the eurozone. Now we have Great Britain, the same issue. Um, there is a referendum in Great Britain in June, excuse me, about this exit, whether they want to stay in the eurozone or get out. So it will have a very big impact on the currency, which we can also already seeing the effects, right? Pound is getting crushed, and then euro was also getting weaker. So it's a lot of uncertainty right now, and I think the markets is just gonna be like we're gonna see some chaotic moves. So just be careful, okay? Not normal conditions right now. Anyway, so my video is about a couple of things that I want to show. The first important thing is the yen index, or any index. Index means um, the chart about the single currency, not the pair. Like Euro USD has, it is a pair that where you trade the pair, and you buy one currency while or sell one currency, the other currency, right, at the same time. But index is just tells you the status of single currency, if it is getting strong or weaker. So yen index, it's a monthly chart, is dropping here. My target was first 58.50, if breaks, then 57.24, if breaks, then 54.73, which is this number, right? That was my final target, and the chart was made on 2nd January. Now if the yen index is dropping, then yen is getting stronger. Okay, so if yen is getting stronger, yen is always on the right hand side in all the pairs, and your right hand side currency gets strong, pair goes down, right? So knowing that yen is getting strong, then all the currency pairs involving yen should be going down. So let's see one by one after January 2nd what happened to these currency pairs. Starting from USD yen, this is January 2nd. We came down, we went up, and then hundreds of pips. Pound yen, January 2nd here, and then now we are here. Euro yen, all of these are daily charts. This is daily, hundreds of pips you're seeing here. January 2nd here, you can see, and now we are here. Aussie yen, same story. CAD yen, daily chart, same story. Not much, but yeah. Franc yen, same story. And last but not least, New Zealand yen, January 2nd here, and then all the way down. So you see, knowing just one chart or the direction on the one chart on any of these index gives you opportunity to trade or pick and choose between several pairs and trade whichever the currency pair is moving, fast or big. Yen, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs to choose from. Which one? And obviously, pound yen was the biggest one because pound was getting strong while yen was getting pound was getting weak while yen was getting strong, and pound yen went down big time. Right? I also had that chart. That we will go down big time on that. So this is how the beauty of watching these indexes, and this is what I teach you. Where to get those index charts, how to look, see them, and how to read them, and then based on that, like just like this one, this chart. What happened to this chart? Let me show you what happened to this chart. Is this as of today? We touched the target. Finally reached the target right here. 54.95. We made the low, and the target was 54.73. Few pips on a monthly chart mean nothing. So we came down nice and clean. All the pair went down as well, and winner all the way, right? Similarly, I'll give you one more example, just like this one. If you can see where it is, Pound Aussie, for example, today we are here, 24th February. Few days ago, I made this chart, 17th February, that we are dropping, and this was the first target. This would be the second target. We dropped 500 pips since then, from 17 to 24. Okay, so this is my before chart, and this is my after chart. This is what you get in the email when you become a part of my group, and subscribe. You get all these before charts about the trading pairs, about the index, and all those, mumbo jumbos. And in my webinars, this is what I teach. It's not that I just give you, and I teach all of this, that how I do it. I do it in front of you. I hold webinars like 3 or 4 times a day, more than 2 or 3 times, not day, I'm sorry, week, 2 or 3 times a week, where I teach almost everything, answer all of your questions, and from A to Z. I teach, harmonic patterns and Elliott waves and this and that. This is also, you can see 1A, 2B, 3, just Elliott wave, mumbo jumbo. So this is what you get, and as well as when you subscribe, you get my Magic IB system to make precise entries. For example, if I have it, let me see if I can show you here. Okay, this is one of the today's trade, 24 February. You see the price was not going above this level, and then I took this setup here, the short setup, came down 90 pips here, and it's so easy. It's very easy. Where you get these horizontal lines, these numbers from these charts. Okay, I have these charts, monthly charts, weekly charts, with all these numbers pointed out for all the pairs, just like pound Aussie here. See, this is the weekly pound Aussie weekly chart. So all these numbers are very important, right? Like this one, 93 and 91.78 was the target, and we came nice and clean, right? If we're gonna break and go to the downside, or we're gonna bounce and go to the upside, you want to find out, subscribe, get my new charts, start trading, and using my Magic IB system. Let me show you what Magic IB system can do for just few old charts. Look at this one. This is how you get this. This is my entry here, right? Now here, another entry. This is another entry. This is another entry. This is another. This pair went up 250 pips, straight line. This is how beautiful it is. Okay, and look at this one here, and look at this one here, down again at the level. You get the short setup, beautiful, confirmation, all the way down to a daily level. 0334 is a very big level in pound. So this is a beautiful strategy to work with. And you get my chart as direction, which way you need to take the entries, up or down, and and you get to learn almost everything. Okay, so this is how it is. That's what I wanted to show. And if you like what you just saw, go on my website, subscribe, and become a part of it. All right, and start trading profitably. And I did the webinar today as well, and all of my webinars recording. I record all my webinars and they upload on my website, so they are all there for my subscriber. You can go back and like there are hundreds of webinars recording to see and learn from, and it's a big learning opportunity if you really want to learn this market. And this is it for now. Like I said, if you like it, go on my website, subscribe, and if you like the video, please subscribe on YouTube as well. Okay, so that I'll make the next video, then it will drop into your email for a few new setups. Sometimes I give out the setups as well, trading setups, so you will get it. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.